Hi, I'm Alice Cooter from Just In Case, and my mission in life is to help you be prepared for the big one. If you're from the Pacific Northwest, you know that by the big one we mean a major earthquake, and a lot of people say we're due for one. So, first thing I'm going to show you is what you should do if an earthquake does start. Here's what you do. Pretty simple. You drop, you cover, and you hold onto the table or whatever it is you've gotten under. Hopefully there's some surface like this around that you can get under, okay? And the reason that you want to do that rather than run out of the building is that most of the injuries with earthquakes are from falling and flying debris, and you want to get out of the way of that. So you want to cover your vital organs in your head, make sure that as best you can you're protecting yourself, okay? So do not leave that position until the quaking stops, okay? Once the quaking stops, then you can assess whether the area you're in is still safe to stay in, or whether you might need to evacuate. If you need to evacuate, hopefully you have already put together a go kit. What's a go kit? It's a portable travel bag of one kind or another, whether backpack, duffel bag like this, a wheeled suitcase, any of those things will work. You want to have one with some essential supplies in it, one in your bedroom, and then one in the trunk of your car too is a great idea. One of those two places you will likely be near one of your go kits. The idea is that it just has enough in it to get you by for a day or two until you can find another place to dwell, okay? And so we're going to show you some of what's in here. First, of course, you always need water. Okay, this happens to be a refillable BPA-free one in case that's a concern for you, or just buy bottled water from the store. Okay, and then you need something to eat. Okay, nuts are always a good alternative. Any kind of power bars, anything that's going to last a few months, because you're probably not going to be restocking this very often, if you're like most of us. Okay, you need some kind of a first aid kit, even if it's something very minor like this. It's really good to have some leather gloves, because again, there might be a lot of debris around fallen that you're going to have to be moving. You also want, either by your bed or in the kit itself, a sturdy pair of walking shoes. Because again, if it happens in the middle of the night, obviously you're not going to be wearing shoes, and there may be, in fact there will probably be, a lot of broken glass around, whether it's from picture frames or mirrors or windows. And that again is a major cause of injury after earthquake, is stepping on broken glass. So you want to protect yourself from that, okay? Also, we don't know what season it's going to be. So since this bag is going to be sitting around year-round, you should have a change of clothes in here, hopefully seasonally appropriate, so that you have something that's warmer and maybe something that's not as warm. Get yourself a rain poncho, and this is really just practically a sheet of plastic that you get at the dollar store, okay? It doesn't need to be anything fancy. And then a Mylar blanket is a great idea. These call these space blankets, but they're very efficient and don't take up a lot of room, obviously. Okay. After that, things for sanitation are going to be important. So whether you get some antiseptic wipes or just have toilet paper, whatever, something to that effect is going to be very valuable. And then we get down to more things that are not essential, but they're a good idea. One are these air filter masks, okay? These should be rated N95 or better. And that refers to how much of the particulate that they keep out of the, that they filter out of the air, okay? Great idea to have a sign of one kind or another, help or okay. But even better than that, you're gonna have a whistle, okay? To signal for help. That could save your life right then and there, all right? Other things, as you have room or desire. And there are pre-packaged kits like this you can buy, and those are fine. It's better than nothing. But the problem is there are things that they can't put in there for you, and they're often forgotten. One is if you or anyone in your home is on prescription medications, there should be some backup in your bag, okay, for a couple of days, because you won't be able to just run to the pharmacy. Cash and small bills is important to have. I recommend at least $100, and the reason you want it in small bills is because if they can't break a 20 for you, you could be paying $20 for a loaf of bread, and you don't want to be doing that. So 1s and 5s, okay? Pet food, if you have any pets that are going to be with you, you need some pet supplies in here as well. they're gonna be traumatized and they can't have their own go kits. Okay, and then copies of important documents, copies of your ID, any insurance policies, maybe credit cards, although they're probably not going to be very useful. But those are things that a pre-prepared kit can't have, obviously, for you because they are particular to you and they're important. So, again, if you want to know more information and you want some kits, some kit checklists to help yourself, go to my website. It's justincaseplans.com. And you can download things for free. Okay? Thanks for watching.